I think one of the beautiful things that has happened over the past, I don't know, 20 or so years is radical expansion of what it means to operate a business, right? And it used to be something a lot more physical. And now you have this sort of sphere, like we're in the sphere right now, we're in the cloud, right? We're not together. We're creating something in a way that, 20 years ago, this would be non-activity. There would be no economic value to this conversation. This conversation, matter of fact, would probably not be happening. So this idea of expanding the scope of what can be a business, what can be monetized, what can be a livelihood, I think is a small part in this overall journey. I think the bigger meaning I give to what I do at the fund, and maybe before I say what I mean, I'll qualify this thing. I already do think this in and of itself is a beautiful mission. Working on the incentives for particular kinds of information and for particular kinds of creators that otherwise would not exist, then suddenly exist, is important work, right? This happened over and over in history, end of 15th century, beginning 17th century, a couple of banking people creating an incentive model for art. And you have Botticelli, you have Leonardo da Vinci, and you have the whole, Italian Renaissance. It's just one place. It's basically just switch the incentive model a little bit.